जाए. So what would you suggest as a healing treatment for such patients who have just, undergone this bad phase?
This question is very hour of the need, actually. So that's, we all are actually in that line. So when you're asking me that, the first thing comes to me is one needs to take rest and one needs to take adequate sleep. Why? Because see, suddenly you feel I'm fine now, I lost my 1 month, I have to suddenly switch into my work and I need to do this, I need to do that. How do I finish it? Those deadlines. So you need to understand, you've gone through this, take another 2 weeks to get back to that. You just don't rush into that. That will happen only if you give yourself rest and you take proper sleep. Third is your food. What kind of a food are you eating? Are you eating your proteins? That is very important. Whatever food that you eat, please ask yourself, are you eating the protein? Because protein is something that is going to give you that strength. So are you eating egg? Are you eating paneer? Are you eating, now you have plant proteins also. So whatever source of protein that is going to help you, that. Then how is your vitamin D, your B12? And calcium, or are you taking sufficient intake, or are you taking those vitamins? If not, have you required your doctor to ask them to help you on that part? Then comes, how much water are you taking? You have to have sufficient amount of water. Then comes sunlight. Are you taking at least 15 minutes of sunlight? Now I understand it's a hot country and my skin will go away. So put your sunscreens, sit by the back, and I think morning 9-10 sun is fantastic to sit with, even in these times. So do that. That's going to really, really help you. Then comes, can you sit for 15 minutes? Silence, mindfulness. Can you see your breathing? Or let's say I don't want to do meditation, it doesn't come to me. Fine. Sit for 15 minutes, see only the sky or the plants or the leaves or anything, or the pot that you have with a nice flower. Can you do that for 15 minutes? That will really rest you. Can you go slow on your gadgets? Have 1 hour where you're not looking at your gadgets. Now I'm giving those options which you feel you can do that, because we are doing everything online now. So you can pick up some skill, some music you used to do. Give yourself those 15 minutes. Read a book, and it's very amazing to read some inspirational books. Read some books that inspire you. So these are few things you can do which are very easy. I'm not saying go to a crystal healer, get yourself some crystals. I'm not saying anything. I'm saying these are very basic things. You don't need to go to a healer also, because you yourself are a healer. If someone is round the clock, someone like me, you feel someone can help you with dash remedies, some anger is coming, fix up a expressive art therapy session for yourself. They're not very expensive, one session, just to rejuvenate yourself, just to follow up. Okay, these were the fears that they were triggered. Can I fix them? Do some art. As you get in touch with yourself, you will see the inner voice will tell you. But don't be in a hurry to fix things. And the last but not the least, I would definitely advise and people encourage them to not have their smoking habits for some time. They can leave it if they can. And then the tobacco chewing. These 2-3 things, and of course, keep a check. If you're back, you need to keep a check. What are the changes coming to my life? Am I having my breathing? Is it fine? Am I feeling it raised up or something like that? Or there warm flushes coming? What is triggering me? So you need to keep a check of it for at least 3 weeks to understand what are the mood swings that I'm having. But if your vitamins are fine, your food is great, and then see if my body is allowing me for a walk, or I don't want to go out, there's something I don't want to do, then do some yoga. And nowadays we have a lot of help around. We have a lot of good work happening. Like you have come up with this project where you are trying to empathize, energize, empower people around you. Now there is a lot of effort going into this, which people don't understand. But if you can do it, So if it is my life, I need to be 100% in control of my life. I cannot blame my parents did this to me, my father did this to me, my in-laws are like this. Oh no, you are not taking responsibility of yourself. And you need to stand. So where is the fear coming from? Work on it. So it's about healing is all about taking responsibility. That is all I would like to say.